Hi there. Today we're going to take a look at how to create a wholesale memo package. In order to create the new memo package, you can take the following steps. First, open your left navigation menu. Click on the Wholesale Accounts menu option. Next, click on the Memo tab. Click on the Add Memo button. In the Context menu, you can create a memo from an existing sales order or simply from existing stock on hand. Since we have a sales order ready for this account, we will choose to create memo from an existing sales order. Next, you will be shown a grid from where you can select the sales order you would like to use. Note that the Ready column represents the order lines, which have been processed and are ready to be memoed. Using the grid, we will find our sales order and click anywhere on the row for the sales order we would like to use. Note that clicking on the sales order link directly will open the sales order PDF document. Next, you will be shown the details that should be used for creating the account memo. From here, you can modify a display name or title for the memo being created. This field will only be visible for you and may help you find the memo in the future. Other options include buying groups, memo classification, reference number, and contact information. You may update any of these fields per your needs at this time. Note that the classification field is mandatory and has to be completed to move on to the next steps. Once you are happy with your input, click on the Next button. Now we will need to select the items we would like to send to the account as memo. Items can be selected by scanning them with a barcode scanner, manually selecting in the list, or uploaded via spreadsheet using the Select from Excel or CSV button. You can also make use of the search bar and the filter options in order to narrow down the search of the product. Once you are happy with your selection, you may click Next. Here you are able to update individual line items based on your needs. Using the Extra field, you are able to add additional text that will be shown on the memo document per line. The Wholesale field allows the update for the unit price you are sending the piece on memo. The discount will default to the discount configured for the current account, but can also now be modified accordingly. You can update the count field if the appropriate amount of inventory is available to be memoed. Using the Enable Grouping feature, you can assign different groups to different lines to have the memo display items under the same group together in the PDF. Finally, notice that you are able to configure shipping and insurance amount. Configuring these amounts will ensure that they stay open until the shipping and insurance amounts have been invoiced. Now you can finish and create the memo by clicking on the Complete button. Once the memo has been created, you will see a window which prompts us on what to do next. Send a memo will allow you to send the memo document to the account. View memo document will allow you to view the memo document. Create shipment will allow you to create a shipment for the memo package. Create shipping or freight invoice will allow you to create a shipping invoice for the shipping and insurance amounts entered while creating the memo. Add another allows you to start a new memo package for the current account. For now, we will skip this step and click on the Continue button. In the memo grid, you will see a newly created memo with all the necessary information. In order to see the products in the memo package and which of them haven't been returned or invoiced, you can click on the Expand button next to the memo row on the left. That's it for creating memos. Thanks for watching.